Hi, Melinda here with Mindy's Craft Shack. So I'm coming to you today with this vlog, and just FYI, I'm going to be doing a weekly vlog, and it's just going to be about a day in the life or a day in a week of a tumbler maker. It's going to just show a balance or how I balance my work life, family life, and balance that with making tumblers and selling them on Etsy. So I don't bore you too much. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Here I am in the shack, just getting some cups cleaned up. I've got my acetone there, cleaning the inside. Now I've got my X-Acto knife, and I'm just scraping the inside of that cup, getting that epoxy out of there. You see my shadow Sadie. She's my Sadie dog. I'm also getting a stencil cut out for my damask split cup that I'm doing. That video will be out in a couple weeks, and I figured I'll take it into work and start weeding it because it's going to take some time. All right, well, I'm in the parking lot at work. I'm getting ready to go in. Got to get my mask on. I hope to be able to get some stuff done in my free time. Hopefully I'll have some free time tonight. Got the sunflowers going. Got some weeding I gotta do. Got some Etsy tags I need to update and all that. So we'll see what happens, what I can get done. If not, I've got 2 more nights that I have to go. So we'll see you later. Bye. Okay, lunchtime at work. So I'm spending it weeding my vinyl for my Heart Damask split tumbler. When I get a little bit more into weeding this, you can actually see the design. I actually purchased this design from Lovely Lulu Designs. She has amazing damask SVGs. And she has made it to where you can wrap it around the top of a curved tumbler. I believe it's for a 30 ounce. And I'm sorry, not a curved tumbler. This is for a skinny, 30 ounce skinny. And it fits perfectly around the top of it. She's got a heart-shaped paw print, a floral, and a skull. And so I purchased all 4, and I'm going to do one of each, but I'm doing the heart-shaped first. Isn't that just so pretty? I have fallen in love with these damask prints and tumblers. I just think they're beautiful. I'll go ahead and put a link to Lovely Lulu's designs in the description below, along with a link to where I got my weeding tool. Day off, and I am just working on some tumblers and doing some orders. Here I'm doing a dirty pour with the new Arteza paints that I got, and now I'm doing a order that I got for my palm tree tumbler. It's actually a sunset tumbler, and I got this idea from Sandy's Organized Chaos. She is amazing. She is very inspirational, and if you have a chance and haven't seen her yet, go ahead, go over to her YouTube channel, Sandy's Organized Chaos. Check her out. Like I said, she is just amazing. Well, I think I'm going to end this week's vlog here. I hope you enjoyed, what you saw. And don't forget, if you would like to see more videos from Mindy's Craft Shack, go ahead, like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. Also, if you would like to join my group on Facebook, it's called Mindy's Craft Shack Group. That link will be in the description below, along with the other links that I promised you. Well, I hope you all have a wonderful day. Stay safe, have fun with your tumblers, and have a great week. Bye.